Eating healthy doesn't have to be hard. Joining us via Zoom to share some easy-to-prep meals is celebrity chef and author of the book, You Can Have It, Devin Alexander. Hey, Devin.
Hi, Dr. Ian. Great to see you.
Great to see you. Okay, so you have a lot of good stuff for us. Your first recipe is easier than boxed mac and cheese.
Yeah, mac and cheese I make to keep healthy with bean pasta, and then I just toss it in a little bit of olive oil, put some Parmesan cheese on it, and then I have a mom version, a fit mom version that has broccoli cooked in. You can boil that in the pot of pasta in the last 2 minutes. And then for the kid version, my daughter will eat broccoli, but she likes it less cooked and also with a balsamic on it. So for her, I put it on the side.
Devin, I love that. First of all, I got to say, I'm going to get a lot of people upset. Boxed mac and cheese, to me, is like, I would never eat boxed mac and cheese. I mean, mac and cheese is got to be fresh and in the oven, all that kind of stuff. So anyway, I'm glad that you're doing it this way. That appeals to me. Next up, you say turkey burgers on sweet potato toast. Talk about it.
Yeah, so you can now buy sweet potato toast in the frozen section, which you can see here. You literally just pop them in the oven. And then I put the turkey burgers on the same pan. And I even line it with nonstick foil. So literally, it goes in the oven, it comes out, you top it, and you're done. But if you want, I get these giant white sweet potatoes, and I cut them into slices, and they look like a burger bun. Not only do you save money, you can prep these earlier in the week. So literally, you just take the potato, slice, 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 toss it in a tiny bit of olive oil and salt, and then you pop those in your oven. Same thing, nonstick foil, and you have no cleanup.
And how long does it take usually to cook?
About 20 minutes, and the burgers take, like a frozen turkey burger takes about 10 to 12. So obviously you want to make sure that timing is good. But the really cool thing is that you can top your burger the way you want, your child the burger the way they want, and it's so quick. And then, veggies on the side obviously are great for the kids and the moms.
And lastly, you say wraps. I love wraps, by the way. Can you put so much in wraps? They're so kind of customizable. What do you have for us?
Yes, so I get obviously a whole grain one that's as clean as possible. And then in the mom version, I put turkey and spinach, roasted red peppers, and I use a vegan cheese that's mostly made from cashews. So instead of using cream cheese, which you can, but I feel like it's healthier. And then for my daughter, the Fit Baby version, I just put the turkey and the cheese in it, and it's ready to go.
Well, Devin, these are great recipes. They're simple, they're kid-friendly, and they look really yummy. So thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.
All right. Well, for more information about these healthy meals and Devin Alexander, go to thedoctorstv.com.